Time for 7 First Alert weather.
Well, you probably dread the snow on the foothills from the other side of this picture here. From Boise looking up or other locations throughout the valley. So here's the other side as you look at BOGUS looking back. As you can see the peak right along through here, and then here's the valley, of course. This is from noontime, so we had the sunshine. We still had some high clouds. Wanted to show you, of course, as we move into this afternoon, the clouds are starting to come in just a bit, and that means a chance of a few showers around the area. The high today, mainly the low to the mid-60s, so it was a beautiful afternoon with that sunshine, and it came close to 60 degrees for Twin Falls for the high temperature. Tonight, the chance of showers, so for your plans here, if you're going to be outside for this evening, here's 6 o'clock, looks pretty good as it is outside. Now there's a few showers moving by, that's about 8 o'clock this evening. If you don't see a shower then, you likely will by about 10 o'clock. There's some of the showers that are moving in right there. After that, we have another shower and even an isolated thunderstorm. Now this is, 2:30 in the morning. So some of these showers could even have a thunderstorm. You could even hear a little bit of thunder. After that, it's pretty much gone. I think our Friday looks good. Sunshine, clouds move in, and here's Saturday morning at 3:30 in the morning. Now after this, we still have showers around the area, but it starts to decrease by 9 o'clock, probably between 8 to 9 o'clock. Just to remind you though, that in the afternoon we could still see a shower about 1:30 in the afternoon. I would say that we have a high of 70 that's in the forecast, but this could actually have an effect on it, bring it down to a 60, or about a 68 or a 67, somewhere along through there. But as we get into Sunday, look at this, glorious sunshine. So let's talk about the amounts of rain. First storm system, that's late tonight. I think this is a little generous in spots, but it is showing anywhere from about 600ths to about 1200ths of an inch. Not even that for Twin Falls. Now the second one, which is Saturday morning, adds to it, which is showing us that we could get about 1/4 of an inch of rain. That's again, I think it's looking like a little bit bigger in some of these numbers than they really should be, but you can see the lower, especially out toward Twin Falls, so the likelihood of seeing a shower there is really not that great. But if you look here for snow potential, up in some mountain locations, and these are the higher peaks, not down in the towns, there's possibly about 2 to 3 inches of snow that could come down. Now for tonight, gardeners, well, if you look at this, temperatures around the Magic Valley will be down to about 40 degrees with a high tomorrow of 60. In the mountains, as expected, it's going to be chilly with 33 for the low, highs around 50 degrees. That's true for McCall, same thing for Donnelly as well as Cascade. Down here in valley locations, Weiser 66, see Nampa tomorrow 64, but lows down in the low to the mid 40s. So that's a big change from what we had this morning, because this morning it was down to 34. So we've had a couple of nights where you had to protect some things, but now it's looking like things are looking a little better at night, as you see some temperatures even in the 50s getting into the first part of next week, and those are lows, those are not highs. And this weekend looks great. This Sunday with 82.
Yeah.
I remember last week I told you, Morgan, read a book.
Yes.
Did you finish it?
No,
because
I read a lot.
You're not going to do it this weekend.
No, I'm
That's
in Palm
for sure.
Springs this weekend. It's going to be 105 degrees, but I wish I was going to be here.
It's
beautiful.
Spending a lot of money just to get that weather.
Well, so like you said, you don't need to cover anything, so we're good for the season
Not so
probably.
much for this evening, yeah.
Okay.
I think we're kind of popping out of this one right here, so just kind of watch it because it's been so unsettled for this springtime.
Yeah,
but at this point, we're seeing that temperatures in the 40s. If that makes you comfortable, that continues next week.
We're good to go with that.
Yeah.
All right, we're back after this.